Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how to do this really simple look with a pop of color for summer. So if you'd like to see how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start by applying a transition shade in my crease, and today I'll be mixing these two warm matte brown shades from the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm just blending them into my crease and outer corners using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Next I'm picking up this shimmery brown shade and I applied that one all over my lid, but it was just a little too light for me, so I ended up applying this darker brown shade on top of it instead. And when I got the color intensity that I wanted, I just went in with my blending brush and made sure that there weren't any harsh lines between the colors. Now I'm just going to smoke this darker matte brown shade as close to my lash line as possible using an angled eyeshadow brush, and this is just going to make the lashes look fuller and nicer. For my waterline, I just applied a brown eyeliner from Marc in the shade Earthquake to tie the look together. Now, instead of just applying a light color in my inner corners, I'm actually going to add this bright blue color, and this is such an easy way to add a pop of color without having to put it all over the lid. I'm just going to apply my lash primer from Urban Decay and mascara from Iconic London. And then I'm going to finish off the look with my favorite lashes from Feline Lashes in the style Russian Blue. For the cheeks, I'm first going to apply this nice peachy blush from the Morphe 9B blush palette. And then I decided to give the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills a second chance. But I still think it's too light for my skin tone, unfortunately. Then on the lips, I'm applying one of my favorite nude combos, which is Peachy Lipstick from Anastasia and the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb from Fenty Beauty. And that's it for this look. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Bye!